Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find the solution about Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Drive and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.